What's going on, guys? John Bowles here. Hope you guys are having a great day, and today I'm going to show you how to easily mine Bitcoin using NiceHash Miner. So to start off, you're going to want to go down to your internet browser and just go to the first link in the bio there. That'll be the fastest way to get there. Now, once at the page, you're going to see two different links. There's one for NVIDIA, one for AMD. It depends on which graphic card you have. I have NVIDIA, so I'm going to click the link there. And once you click, it should automatically download. Now, I've sped up parts of this video in the download process, but this should take you no longer than 15 minutes tops, no matter what type of computer you have. Now, once your download's done, click the link in the bottom left corner there, and you should have your next page open up. Just follow the steps as prompted, they're pretty straightforward there. And after that, just wait until the download's done. Now that download's done there, exit out your browser and NiceHash Miner should automatically open up for you there. It will take a second this first time up there as it has to benchmark all its settings. So your easiest way is just to go get a snack or whatnot, and it'll automatically start running as soon as it's done here. I'm just going to skip it over here as it takes a while. This is your longest process. While we're waiting, you're probably wondering about what type of money you're expecting out of this. So if you go down to the second link in my bio there, I'm actually just going to send you over to the profitability calculator they created. Now, this is a great device. It's only an estimate of what you'd be making, but they have all sorts of graphics cards, GPUs, CPUs, ASIC miners that you can scroll down through, type in your power cost, and it gives you a rough idea of what you're looking at making in the run of the day. Now that NiceHash Miner is finally finished up, we're just going to go over the two general specs of setting up beforehand. So your first is going down to the wallet here. I already have an account, so I'm not going to go through this step, but if not, you have to make an account using NiceHash Miner. That will just set you up a wallet that your money will transfer to. The next step is to set up your worker name here. This isn't required, but I do this as I have multiple different computers mining on NiceHash at the same time, so it's easier to track profitability per individual one. Just looking through some of the specs here, it's all pretty general stuff. You can switch your currency. Don't bother going to the advanced panel. And you can also switch to things like automatically start mining when your computer is idle, automatically open NiceHash, and a bunch of other stuff like that. Pretty nice things to have. And just to give you a little screenshot of what your dashboard looks like, this is under my account when I go to viewing my stats, and I don't have anything running right now as it messes up the video rendering quality, but it shows you your daily amount you'll be making on this, a lot of your profitability, and the different algorithms you'll be mining. So to show you how easy it is to start it up once you've got loaded, just hit the plus button, and you should have two windows open up. Once the second window is opened up, you know you're mining properly, and you're ready to get some profits. As well, when it's running, as you can see, you get a screenshot and a rough idea of what you'll be making. It gives you your Bitcoin wallet total amount and your estimated daily earnings. And it's easy as that. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing you guys soon. Have a great day.